Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast for today. The general situation: a ridge extending from a strong high-pressure system in the Atlantic continues to dominate today's weather pattern across the Turks and Caicos Islands. Special warnings: the public is advised to remain hydrated, wear loose-fitting clothing, and to limit prolonged sun exposure, especially during peak sunshine hours. The weather is partly to mostly sunny and a bit breezy, mostly fair tonight. A small craft caution is in effect for Atlantic exposures. Winds are easterly at 10 to 20 knots, seas 1 to 3 feet near shore, building up to 6 feet offshore in Atlantic exposures. The daytime high temperature is 90 degrees Fahrenheit with an overnight low temperature of 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset is at 7:35 p.m. The next high tide is at 5:40 p.m. The next low tide is at 12:17 a.m. The extended forecast for the next 2 days. The strong high-pressure system will continue to promote a drier weather pattern across the islands. Another plume of Saharan dust is expected to impact the islands mid to late this week. Forecast for Tuesday: mostly sunny with a high near 90, mostly fair, isolated showers possible with a low around 80. A small craft caution will remain in effect for Atlantic exposures. Winds are easterly at 10 to 20 knots with seas 4 to 6 feet. Sunrise is at 6:10 a.m. Sunset is at 7:35 p.m. Forecast for Wednesday: weather isolated showers possible during the day. A mix of sun and cloud with a high near 90, mostly fair with a low around 80. A small craft caution will remain in effect for Atlantic exposures. Winds are easterly at 15 to 20 knots and seas are 5 to 7 feet. Sunrise is at 6:10 a.m. Sunset is at 7:35 p.m. For a tropical weather outlook, please refer to the latest advisories from the National Hurricane Center on Hurricane Beryl, impacting the Windward Islands, and Tropical Depression Chris, which has dissipated over eastern Mexico. Central Tropical Atlantic: showers and thunderstorms continue in association with an area of low pressure associated over 1,000 miles east-southeast of Windward Islands. There is a medium 60% chance of formation over the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, the 1st of July 2024 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Wednesday. Thank you.